Thanks for clicking on the video of our 2020 Case IH 4412F folding chopping 12 row 30 corn head. I'm here in Judah, Wisconsin. We traded it in last year. It didn't run in 2024, so ran 2020, 21, 22, 23, 3 years, or excuse me, 4 years, and guy that operates roughly 4,000 acres of corn a year, so 16,000 acres is the estimate. The machine is mechanically decent. The poly is all good. This is something that's pretty much universal on all 4412s. The poly is just excellent durability. Knives, you know, they definitely need work. Now the roll knives have been replaced, it looks like, so they're in really good shape. The this is a typical where you have a little breakout of the shield on the ends. I'm sure there's some dented hoods somewhere on it, but couplers look pretty decent all the way around. Now this is not unusual either, where the auger has a little wear and weakness. 1000 PTO, or the spline shaft. Floor down here looks okay. Auger, nothing real odd about it. There's no breaks that I can see. Get you over here at the serial plate. There's the serial number and the manufacturing date, 2020. So that's our 4412F. Appreciate you watching the video. Thank you.